Say cheese. Yeah, go.
Yeah, that's the one I was looking
Go. Help Ella up there. Up there, Ella. Okay.
Is this Emery County?
Take your sister up there with you.
I'm going to do corn again, Dada.
There you go.
Hey, look up at Daddy.
Say cheese. Where's your sister?
Look at all this corn.
Dexter.
All right.
All right, now where's the other one at?
Yeah, for weird stuff.
Dexter, watch out! Watch out, buddy! Gotta move.
Here.
Oh, it's Ella. I missed you, Ella.
Okay.
All right, Dexter, go around. Hey, no, Dexter, you gotta go around. Go
Can
on.
I do that again?
Yeah. Ella.
Ella, looky.
Get your sister. Get her. Hey, look at the slide, Emery. Come on, Ella.
I'll go there.
Go.
Hey, come on down.
Go, Emery. Go, Ella. Oh, here comes Ella. Oh, Ella, no. Go.
Oh, Grandma's got. Sorry,
Get up there. Come on, Ella.
Activate. And go and go out in the
Go chase your cousins. Earl. No.
Hey, baby.
It's up here. Nope. The little finger she can reach in there and grab it. All right.
Oh.
Don't move. Ready? Say cheese. What? Oh, no, no, no. No. Where are you going?
I just want to bear me up. Oh.
Barrier. Bye, Emery.
No.
Dexter! What are you doing? Hey, you gotta come help Emery. She's buried. Come save Emery. Come save Emery. You gotta dig her out. Like a worm. Dexter, saving you.
Can you bury me again?
Oh!
Help, Dad.
Help! Oh no! Hold on, hold on. Dad, I want to take a picture of you completely buried, okay? I've got corn in your ear. Jumping back in. Oh.
My turn.
Ella.
My turn.
Hey, Pumpkin. Hey, Pumpkin. You still need to go pee-pee? You told me you had to go pee-pee earlier. You what?
Whoa.
Look at that. I sure will. Okay, you ready? Wait, let me get to the bottom. Wait a minute, 1, 2, 3. Does it feel funny on your bottom?
Yeah.
Oh. 1, 2, 3.
What?
Maybe you could go up real far. 1, 2.
Thanks. Make me go first. You can. Give me
1, 2, 3. There she goes.
I should go on my god.
You ready?
I should go on my god.
Okay, go.
Oh my god, that was so bouncy.
Right here, okay. Come on, Ella. Come on.
I can do that too.
Okay, go again.
I can do that too.
Go.
I'll go down with the kids.
Nice. Come on. Hey, get on your belly.
Oh my goodness, Yoshi! We made it.
Pick your boots up.
Have a baby in your hand.
I figure that's why I said I could have handed it to you.
Lori, go to this side real quick.
Don't go down without Lori.
Give me a little boost. Ready?
Oh my god.
Me and Elle are going down Which one? Pick which? Oh, you know what?
Whoa! Saying bye.
Bye.
Emery, get going. Hold up one.
Wait, that one.
Here you go. Ready? Cheese.
Let's go do that again.
I think you missed one.
I did.
Oh, do that.
Let's get Dexter. Here he goes. There he goes.
Woo, you went fast, Chase.
Oh, I guess.
Here we go, Dawn. Ready?
Ready?
Ready, Donnie? Here we go, Dawn.
Oh my. Dive. There you go.
That where the truck woods at. And then go to woods.
No. You're being good.
Jay's on to like the.
Yeah, Jay's down here. You have the plugs? Tommy. Jump. Whoa. Go down to your belly. Go jump. Go get Emery. Whoa, Emery. Look at Dexter.
Oh, Mario's out. What do you mean?
Go, go, go.
How about Tommy's it?
There you go. Take a video. Go jump around. Go do some flips and some fun with it. Jump. Jump. Not on your head, Jace. He's over there. Do it right in our field. Get up there. Run, Dexter, run! Run, Dexter, run! Run, Jace. Dexter's gonna get you. Get him, Dexter. Run.
I can't get me. What is this thing?
Can you do it, Ella? Careful. Careful. Go ahead. Here, hold the rope.
Oh.
You got one hand? Here we come.
Yeah, you have to hold on to the rope and walk on that little piece of wood. You're doing great. Good job. I'll meet you on the other side. Yeah, you're doing great. I'll meet you down here.
Good job, Pumpkin.
Thank you.
Careful. Careful. Don't fall, okay? That's
Where's Grandma going?
you just gotta go this way.
Oh, what's that? What's that for?
The zip line.
Oh. Worse than lava.
Yeah.
Oh, look at it. Here we no, Jason, this way. We gotta start over here.
Watch out.
Uh-oh.
Now step over with your foot.
Okay, Emery, calm down, come on.
Here, go across.
Is this a playground?
Yeah.
It is?
Yep. Come on.
I'm going to playground.
Come on. And I'll cross the bridge. Get to the first one. Whoa! Did you make it? You got it. You got it. Get to the next one. Ready? Jump cut. Oh! Good job. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
She's already there, so you go on this side.
Can you make it?
Yeah.
Come on, another one to do.
On that.
Come on. Whoa. Whoa. Get up there. Ready, you can do it. Oh. You died. Oh.
Jump. You think you got it? Good job, brother.
Come on. Here. You got it. I don't know, Punk. All right, now what? Hey, Pumpkin. Hey, good job.
How to do it?
There she goes. What? So. Go on, Dexter.
Wait now.
Where's your sister? Where's Emery?
It's a zombie.
Get out the house! Wait now! Out of the water!
What's Dawn doing?
Wait now!
What are you doing up? Where's Dexter, Jace? Where's Dexter?
Daddy, you can come in their house.
Okay. Yeah.
Can I go play in it? Go!
Ella.
There, I got it.
Oh, you okay, Ella?
Alright, Donnie D.
Careful, Donnie.
Hey. How I shoot it?
Emery's not done.
No.
Pick it up. Go nose.
Here, Dexter, sit on it. Dexter, come here. Sit on this.
There you go. Get another scoop. Get another scoop, Emery. There you go. Get a big bite. There you go. I'll push it. Okay, dump it in. Jason's truck. Lift it up. Oh! Oh no! There's also 4. Get for him, drive it, Emery. So cheese.
Go, Grandma, get.
Hey you. Say cheese. Oh, say cheese.
Oh, I can't see.
Cheese. Cheese. Get up there. Say cheese. Come on.
Oh, look, it looks like.
Pump faster.
Your way. Oh. This is your
That little one. I know.
With baby, I don't know. I'm just, all depends on when these guys want to show fairs.
Oh, that's true too, yeah.
Look, it has a tiny leg.
I'm going to the corn picker.
All right. She's almost done with her feed. Wait, what are you doing?
What? And I want to feed him again.
Oh.
Bow wow, you.
Yeah.
Bow wow, you.
Easy, Emery.
Look, I got the. Look at this cutie.
Oh no, Ella.
Here, Ella. Want a duck? Look. Here it comes. You cheated. Say cheese. Cheese, Pearl. Hold on. What are you doing? Okay, you want to go again?
Yeah.
Go up there.
Can I go a lot of times?
You better hurry. Cheers! Oh, see ya! Oh, girl. Okay. Ready? Go!
Can I have that one, Daddy?
There we go, hold on. The cheese.
Cheese.
Oh, this is slow, huh? Whoa. Whoa.
That one, Daddy. Hey, I caught it.
Easy, Dawn. You wanna go again? Go, Ella. Ella, go! I'm gonna run into you. Oh, I guess it's raining again. That's slowing down. I'm stuck. You okay?
Jace.
What's Ella and Jay's doing?